Anyway guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best cheapest car insurance companies in the UK that you can actually check out for yourself. So the first one is NFU, and this one is like, the service is great, fairness in claims, often more expensive and requires phone call for quotes, but still that's something that you can actually check out for yourself, that maybe you're gonna like it. Also the Liverpool Victoria. So with this one right here, and for the car insurance, is that you can check out the quote here. So it's painless claims experience and competitive pricing. Also Aviva. So this one right here, often noted for high reputation scores and excellent service during no-fault accidents. So this is something that you can actually check out for yourself, and maybe you're gonna like it. And the Aviva is great. Then you're gonna have best for the kind of like the price and flexibility, Admiral. So Admiral is also interesting one because also it's one of the cheapest ones, especially with their multi-car policies. So that's something that you can actually find here, like multi-car insurance, and that's something, if you have multi cars, you can check out for yourself. Also the Hastings Direct, so that's like another one. So budget-friendly quotes, particularly their uDrive black box policy for young drivers. And for completely like young drivers, like if you don't have much stuff there, the Tesco Bank. So it's a very interesting one, UK insurance car. So that's something for you to check out. Most affordable entry points. So that's something to you can actually see for yourself. Maybe you're gonna like it. And that's pretty much it. So these are the ones that I wanted to share, because yes, you're gonna have also another one called Hastings uDrive. So that's kind of like the one that you can actually check out for yourself, and it can be like affordable. So you can see if you actually like it, and you can check out the claims and also like the pricing. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I just want to make this like very quick and effective. What are they actually worth? And yeah, have a great day, guys, and goodbye.